Struggling to get YouTube views? This AI tool helped creators get 2.6 million views. Here's my honest review. What it does. 1 of 10 finds viral video ideas by analyzing outlier videos, content that performed way better than expected. It shows you exactly what's working right now. Key features. 3 main features. Viral idea discovery. Find trending topics instantly. AI title generator. Get proven title formats. AI thumbnail creator. Make click-worthy thumbnails. Proof it works. Real results. One creator found an airless tire idea, made an airless bike video, got 2.6 million views. Another got 4.3 million views on banned energy drinks. Who uses it? Used by 10,000 Promises creators including Johnny Harris, 6 million subs, Max Fosh 4 million subs, and Alex Hormozy, 3.2 million subs. Pricing. $29 a month basic, $69 a month pro with AI tools. Expensive, but could pay for itself with 1 viral video. Worth it if you're serious about YouTube growth and tired of guessing what content to make. Not magic, but gives you data-driven ideas instead of random guessing. Would you pay $29 for viral video ideas? Comment below.